Hey, folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's intraday analysis video, brought to you by the creators of proprietary price, pattern, and time methodology. Learn the PPT strategies and profit for life. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. All right, folks, let's get into this awesome action today on this Wednesday, June 19th, 2013. Markets are down sharply on the day, although bouncing after Federal Reserve Chairman Ben Bernanke released his policy statements. No change in interest rates, no change in anything really. He talked about more specifics, but at the same time, he kind of said, listen, this is what we're planning to do, but if the data is different, then we're going to do different. So it was kind of like talking out of both sides of his mouth, which I feel is what caused the top on this market about a month ago. If we look at the daily chart of the SPY here, this right here, this big pop-up and reversal was where he released comments and then testified in front of Congress 20 minutes later, and he kind of said one thing and then said the other. And I kind of get the sense he's doing the same thing again, and the markets are not liking it. And again, what a bounce here nonetheless off of this level. For those of you that have taken the methodology course, Elite Keys to Unlimited Success with me, which goes over the confirmation index, I just banked $1,000 on a simple trade here. All right, here's your triangular pattern, right? All right, you confirmed above, and you just retraced to it, and I bought right there. That right there, a G-note in my pocket, and I didn't even do it many shares. I mean, from this price, the low of the day was 163.84, and it just bounced to 164.70. I mean, we're talking about 90-cent bounce on the spiders, even if just 1,000 shares. I didn't hold it the whole way. I did 2,000 shares there, but I mean, just it's so easy to bank such big money on this. Ridiculous, guys. Absolutely ridiculous. And now it's pulling back a little bit, but just knowing these methods changes your life. I mean, most people will work all day and not even come close to making $1,000 in one day. I did it in about 10, 15 minutes. I mean, just unbelievable, folks. And you didn't even have to risk a lot. 2,000 shares of the spiders. I mean, you could have even done 1,000 shares and made $900 there. All right, I did 2,000. I just took 50 cents off the table on this bounce, but just amazing to see. And the market, of course, was dead early on, and then Bernanke comes out in the FOMC statement, and the market starts to sell off. Dollar ripping higher here today. Take a look at the dollar move off of this. The FXY, which is the yen, is getting clobbered, which makes sense. If the dollar's rising, the yen's getting clobbered. Now, you might say, well, the yen getting clobbered is good for the market, so why is the market down? Simply, the yield, guys. The 10-year yield is rocking today, ripping. Take a look at the TBT today, which is the 20-year. It's just an unbelievable move up. We're looking at the 10-year now at 2.31%. That's huge. That's a major, major level there on the 10-year. And again, folks, that is why the markets are selling off. And again, I think the lack of clarity from the Federal Reserve is very troublesome. They really are saying this, and then they're saying, well, yeah, but if this does this, then we're going to do that, and if it does this, we're going to do that. And all that combined is just causing major heartache for the markets and trying to figure out. Market likes facts. The market likes to know on this date this will happen. Then the market can prepare. Without any direct signals, the market really has no idea what to do. They're just kind of sitting back and saying, uh-oh, well, maybe we'll do this, maybe they'll do that. So we're just going to continue to be volatile until then. And hey, listen, volatility is what we do best here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. That's how we bank a crap load of money every single day with our members. And sure enough, the shorts we had out there are just getting awesomely rocked today, which is great for us. Target down $1.10 on the day. Looking at a couple other ones like ADM. ADM down 33 cents, went right into the 200. That was a great scalp right there as well on the long side. But this is a nice little short we're enjoying as well that is getting hit today beautifully. So good stuff out there across the board, guys. A couple other stocks to look at. Take a look at Apple, down about $6 on the day. Apple's level here you're watching is the 420 level. That's the major level short term on Apple. Google is actually positive, so Google's up on the day. That's because Google wants to go to this double top. I said that before. I'll say it again. Google's going there. Be ready. Just that simple. It's like a magnet drawing it to the, or a flame drawing a moth to it. It's the same thing. It's going to get drawn right into that level, so keep an eye on that. All right, JPM down nicely today, although down only 20 cents. But the one thing you guys could take from this, yesterday's video, I told it to my members. I went over it multiple times in the intraday stock chat. Yesterday, we saw JPM very, very weak. Right? And even this morning, JPM, when the market was flat to positive, JPM was getting crushed. It was a leading indicator. And again, if you could see these leading indicators, if you know what to look for, you just, again, bank money left and right. It's a great thing. It's an unbelievable thing, in fact, to just have that ability to rinse and repeat and profit nonstop. All right, so again, just great stuff there. Goldman Sachs still down $1.62. Look at the volatility on the financials here. Just a beautiful thing. IBM's down $2. Great fall, but great bounce in the short term on that. Chevron's down 38 cents. Really not that big of a fall on Chevron. Exxon down 22 cents. Same thing right there. Baidu's down $1.22, coming off its lows just a little bit here. And again, Baidu 50 MA daily chart is what you're looking at here. All right. In any case, guys, bottom line is I can't stay on long here because there's too much action here. I got to get back to trading. But this is, again, choreographed perfectly from the charts. The plays are there. The profits continue to unfold. At InTheMoneyStocks.com, take the 7-day free trial. Just get involved. I mean, bottom line is there's so much money to be made. If you're not making it, obviously, honestly, I think there's something wrong. I mean, the markets are skewed against you. If you don't know what you're doing, you're screwed. Here at In the Money Stocks, we just consistently spit out profits. So come join us here. Take the 7-day free trial. We hope to see you soon. Take care.